Let's keep it going with earnings then, because you do have banking major IndusInd Bank. That is all set to come out with its third quarter earnings, likely to remain in focus. Now, the street is expecting a weak set coming in for this particular banking counter, but Gaurav is standing by to tell us what exactly the street is then penciling in.
Well, yes, IndusInd Bank is definitely going to be in focus, because when we look at pre-quarterly updates, we have already seen some kind of weakness. Advances grew at a range of around 12%, which was actually weakest at least in the last 10 quarters, while deposits degrew on a sequential basis. And on back of this, now brokerages are expecting flat growth in net interest income, and the reason being that high-yielding products like MFI and credit card are likely to slow down. Other than that, as an impact, net interest margins may decline almost by 10 basis points on a sequential basis as per brokerages. And on back of this, when we talk about PPOP, there are two factors which may impact this cost as well. First is cost to income ratio, and second is the fee income, which may remain flat, and as a result PPOP can decline at a rate of around 14 to 15% on a year-on-year basis. On the back of this, when we talk about provisions, we've already seen that bank created contingent provisions of around 500 crore rupees in the last quarter, and even in this quarter provisions are likely to stay elevated, and as a result credit cost is also likely to stay in the range of around 2%, and that is the reason why when we look at profitability, now brokerages are expecting profitability to decline almost by 40 to 45% on a year-on-year basis for the bank. Other than that, let's not forget that there were two major events which happened. First is bank's CFO resigned, and second is that bank sold its MFI portfolio worth more than 1500 crore rupees to asset restructuring company, which contributes around 5% of their total MFI exposure. And on back of this, we will be definitely watching out on how the commentary comes out, how management is confident about the MFI exposure and their asset quality, and also on the back of cost of funds, how their commentary is going to be something which is crucial to watch out for. But all in all, when we talk about numbers, we are expecting some kind of weakness from IndusInd Bank in this quarter.
Okay, thanks very much, Gaurav. Looks like could be possibly a lot could be in the price, the way they have already kept the provisioning as well as some part of MFI they've already sold. Thanks very much, Gaurav, for that brief on IndusInd, what to expect from.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.